हाँ जी सर, थोड़ा सा इधर आओ।
Remix by DJ G-Ben.
भैया थोड़ी साइड करियो बदीड करेगा गोली क्योंकि बेबी नु बेस पसंद है बेबी नु बेस पसंद है जब नाचे मुझको उसका बेस पसंद है बेबी नु बेस
हाय मेरे भोले पंछी पूर्णवती बढ़िया रे भूले ना मेरे साथ खड़ी है मेरी 16 सखिया रे तेरे जैसे बड़े चौधरी देखे हैं मर जाने सॉन्ग सुना के इंग्लिश के जो डले दस्ती लड़े क्योंकि बेबी को बेस पसंद है बेबी को बेस पसंद है
जैसे काला धले चिचता है तेरे चेन पे अपनी अदाओं से ज्यादा नहीं तो 10-12 लड़के तो मार ही देती होगी तू दिन में
जैसे 36 फिरते हमारे वर्गी और न होनी वर्गी और न होनी वर्गी और न होनी तू मुंडा बिल्कुल देसी है मैं कितनी ना तो सोनी
Well, it's the morning when you have beautiful faces, lovely faces around. मेरा नाम हिमानी है और मेरा नाम मनोरमा बख्शी। 21st December last 2016 जब हम लोग अपना फाउंडेशन डे मना रहे थे, then I got to know that I was the youngest employee of IPE. So I was the youngest family member. I'm sure a lot more have joined. And we are celebrating the 18th year and it's coming of age for IP.
I would ideally wanted to maybe either come with you all in the bus or at least arrive at that particular time. But I'm sorry, I mean there was a medical emergency for which I had to sort of get late. So let me start by welcoming all of you. The actual, we keep using the word the extended IP family, but I would really say that all of you are part of the IP family, and we are particularly pleased that at this event we managed to get the family members of the IPNs, who are of course part of the family, the wives, the spouses, the husbands and the children. So special welcome to the families of the IPN. So please, I'd like the IP staff to give a special clap to the family members of the IPNs who are here. And this is actually the second time that we are having the annual family day, and this is something we started last time. I know a lot of you came in and last time as well. And I think this is really a great opportunity for all of us to meet up with you and for all of you to also meet up with the colleagues of your parents and really sort of understand that what IP stands for, who are the other people who work in IP. So I think it's a very good opportunity. We did also discuss last time, I don't know, we haven't yet started that, but maybe at some stage we'd like to invite you all to also visit our office and spend maybe a half a day or a couple of hours in the office, just so also know the environment, the place where your parents go to work. So we will probably try and get that started this year. And again, IP has been through a long journey. This is our 18 plus years, and we've really grown from a very, very small organization to the level where we are. And I would just like to reiterate that this has only been possible because of the IP staff. We know a lot of you work under difficult circumstances, put in long hours, but I think the growth of IP would not have been possible without the passion, the commitment, and the hard work of each one of you. So I would like to thank you all once again for your commitment and hard work that you've been putting in, and thank the families for allowing your parents and others to be putting in all these hours. So thank you so much. I'm not going to be spending more time in talking because I know we're already running behind schedule. So thank you all for being here and enjoy the evening.
साहिबान साहिबान, आपके सामने पधार रही हैं आगरा की हसीन फनकारा मोहतरमा नूरे नजर मोहिनी।
Dude, this is Roy's trip.
Dude, इतने पैसे में इतना ही मिलता है।
Guys, we decided not to talk about increments at least on the family day. Right? We are here to enjoy, okay?
Anyway, coming back to honoring our beloved IP family, the family we love, we hate, we fight with, and still come back to the next day, like any healthy marriage.
So welcome back
To the Nayan Awards 2.0.
For the Shubharambh of these awards, we request our VCMD, Mr. Ashwajit Singh, to please bless us by following this Nariyal. Hopefully not on our heads. Natural Nariyal.
They asked me when I walked in, I looked at their get-up and I said, what's in store for us? And they said, just you wait. And they said, please give us an assurance that on this account you won't fire us. So my reply to that was, don't worry, we have many other reasons to fire you guys.
As you can see, the disclaimer for the last event has worked. और हम सब दोबारा वापस आ गए हैं।
और हम पिछली बार से भी ज्यादा वाहियात, बदतमीज और बेशर्मी भरी हरकतें लेकर आए हैं।
Speaking of the disclaimer, I hope you all have made a trip to the bar because I'm very sure you'll need it.
For the awardees, don't worry, हमने आप सब लोगों के लिए यहाँ बंदोबस्त कर दिया है।
वैसे हमें लोगों की बेइज्जती करने का कोई शौक नहीं है, लेकिन लोग हमें मजबूर करते हैं कि हम उनकी बेइज्जती करें. But this बेइज्जती is conducted, sir, again, a repeat of the disclaimer, knowing that there shall be no firings ordered or resignations transacted on the basis of these awards. Thank you.
So to come back to a topic of happy marriages, we wish to honor the first couple of IP Global, Mr. Ashwajit Singh and Mrs. Tanya Singh.
Welcome the first couple for the Mr. Jack and his Juliet Award.
Guys, please close your eyes because this is the whole. Yes.
This is a Russian roulette of shots. It's your luck whether you get it or not.
You have to have it in one.
So after the first couple of IP Global, we would like to call our second couple of IP Global.
दुश्मन से अगर कोई फायदा हो तो उसे दोस्त बना लेना चाहिए।
Please give it up for our very own Jay and Viru.
Mr. Padma Kumar and Mr. Raghavesh Ranjan. Can we have you on stage, sir? You can choose your own Viru, sir. Raghav,
हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे तोड़ेंगे हम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे
For the next award, we have a small skit. Hi Ram, बादल गरज रहे हैं,
बिजली कड़क रही है,
पानी बरस रहा है,
मैं तो पिघल ही जाऊंगा.
Presenting the Chotu Chhatri Award to Mr. Preetham Mohan Singh.
So there is an actual story behind it. One time it was so because it was raining really hard one day, Mr. Preetham refused to get out of his car and called us and said that he needs an umbrella to come back to the office. That's why Chotu Chhatri Award.
We hope the sash will, help you protect you against the rain because our chhatri was broken when we brought it. The next award is for वो जो चाशनी की तरह मीठे हैं.
The award goes to the Jalebi Bhai of the urban team, Mr. Pramod Nikum.
Can we have you on stage, sir? Can somebody else from his team come up and take the award?
Navneet, please come here.
तुषार
So we are giving this award to him because he's the sweetest person in urban team.
For the next award, we have the man with the Midas touch for IPE Global and for Mr. Ashwajit Singh.
Honoring the golden boy of IPE Global with a special dedication, which of course we made up, from Ashwajit sir, Mr. Himanshu Sikka. Golden Boy Award. So please collect his award. Okay.
So for our next award, if he wasn't in IPE Global, he would be walking the Paris Fashion Runway. Doing what? We don't know.
Presenting the smackingly must award to Mr. Anil Bansal. So आप आ जाइए award लेने. Somebody from Tushar, request you to please come.
चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त नहीं तुझको कोई होश होश नहीं तुझको कोई होश होश उस पर जो मन का जोश जोश नहीं
We've given Amul cheese because the cheese badi hai mast mast.
The next award is for the person जो सूरज की पहली किरण के साथ ऑफिस में एंटर करती है. Obviously, unlike me.
Presenting the Kukruku Award to Miss Pramila Bishnoi.
Speaks as the EPFM team is the only team also working today. They're in office, filling out a beat.
So moving on, the next award goes to the person who brings the most recruit, actually largely female recruits.
God only knows how many times we've asked him to hire men. And representing this, we have a little skit for you.
So I'm a candidate, a new recruit.
And I'm Amir.
Coming to give an interview.
Hi, Miss Tanya. So let's go into the room before we start the
Okay, fine.
So tell me about yourself.
I don't know how to read, I don't know how to write, but I can dance and sing very well.
That's perfect. We don't need reading and writing in IPE at all.
Great.
Yeah, so what else?
I think that's about it.
That's about it.
It's much better this time.
Please come and collect your award.
And now that Amir is married, we're hoping there are more male recruits in the company. Yes, fingers crossed.
अगला अवार्ड हमारे अवार्ड सेरेमनी की शायद से थोड़ी शोभा घटा दे.
Because ये है 2 कौड़ी का award for Mr. Sanjay Tripathi.
And why he has received this award, he will tell you himself.
Why
if
he
he's
is
here.
not here.
If he's not here. So, we'll just explain. Because for Mr. Sanjay, everything is Tokadi.
Yeah, so if he comes
So
to
the Nani award is also Tokadi.
Yeah. So want to take the award as well.
अच्छा, अब next award के लिए हम कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे.
आप खुद ही देखकर हमें बताएंगे.
Wait, we are coming there for everyone to guess.
What's that? आप guess करो.
Can you guess who this is?
Sir,
The double award for Mr. Ratan Chabra.
सब fake currency है. पुराने 500 और 1000 के नोट हैं.
So for our next award,
yes, please come back, sir, please. So
we need to dance.
Yes.
Sir, we've given the sunglasses so you can use them as a prop.
So with the sunglasses, please.
Yes, madam.
The next Yes Madam Award for Dr. Jose.
Who can come? Is he there? Anyone from his team? Anjali.
Please collect the award.
Representing the nerdiest department in IP Global.
Mr. Shailendra Sharma is awarded the No Spice But Everything Nice Award. So this song is an advice to you, please.
Thank you so much. I didn't prepare my thanks speech. but I think I can do it impromptu. I would like to thank my entire team, director Mr. Amit Kaushik, producer Mr. Ashwajit Singh, and the entire IP staff. Thank you so much for this award.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for being such a sport.
Okay.
For the inseparable jodi of the NIPI project,
The Chai Biscuit Award goes to Dr. Harish and Dr. Ashwak. Anybody from their team?
Anybody from the NIPI project here to collect their award? Thank you.
Chai biscuit.
And we are giving them a biscuit as well. The next award is dedicated to the man who is bald and beautiful.
But before this, we have a performance for you.
Presenting the bald and the beautiful award for Mr. Ellen Singh. On stage. Mr. Ellen Singh. The bald and the beautiful award for Mr. Ellen Singh.
And that's a parachute hair oil for his beautiful long.
Woo! Thank you. Round of applause for sir, please.
Anil sir, yay.
बड़ी है मस्त मस्त वो चीज बड़ी है मस्त वो चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त वो चीज बड़ी है मस्त नहीं तुझको कोई होश होश नहीं तुझको कोई होश होश
Thank you so much, sir.
I don't know what to say, but this is really surprising. People are finding me must.
Not for us, not for us.
Yeah, the Nariyal Award. Not the Filmfare Award.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
The next award is for the fittest person in IP Global.
The Milkha Singh Award for Miss Kavita Fadnis. For the marathon runner of IP.
अरे शक्तिमान और हाशनसार अब तूने दे ललकार तेरी तो बाहें पतवार कदम है तेरे हाहाकार तेरी नस नस लोहाकार तू है आग मिलखार ओ बस तू भाग मिलखार अरे छोड़ दे बीते कल की बोरी काट दे रस्सी सुतली डोरी तुझसे पूछेगी ये पट्टी तू फर्क समझ
10 सालों से चल रही है ये कोशिश, कभी फोन के ऐप से, कभी जोमेटो की साइट पे।
मिलते हैं वो गलियों के पीछे चलाते हुए साइकिल और सीट के पीछे खाते हुए समोसा।
ये और कोई नहीं है but है Mr. Sudarshan Panda, the biggest loser award.
For his biggest
Weight loser award.
weight gain journey.
Sorry.
मेरी पैंट भी सेक्सी, मेरी शर्ट भी सेक्सी, मेरी डायरी भी सेक्सी, मेरी बॉडी भी सेक्सी है। विकी 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 मुझे लोग बोले।
The Sonam Kapoor Award goes to none other than our resident baby doll, Mr. Vikramjit Singh.
You guys always, amaze me. I haven't forgotten the last year as well. When I was coming here, I saw NA. So when I see NA, I read it as not applicable. When I think of not applicable, I think of increments. So I think, we are still doing the increments much sooner for at least this team. So next team will remember. Thank you so much.
Other than Mr. Soumitra Ghosh.
चेहरा मेरा प्यारा प्यारा चेहरा, प्रवास मैंने पहना, खिला मेरा चेहरा।
The Ever Youth Award goes to Dr. Dinesh Agarwal.
Because he thinks that after he wears the mask,
There's a story behind it, please. There's a little story about this.
so Sir wears these oxygen masks and he thinks that because he's breathing fresh air, his skin is going to glow.
So now Pramod sir is back. We would like to announce his award once again. Navneet, can we have the award back again?
Navneet for the wrong award last time.
Baby Bhai of Urban Team, Mr. Pramod Nikum. Woo!
The jalebi is served here, sir. We were supposed to bring a little packet, but
We forgot. ये वो हैं जो लाया है बाहर सब मदर्स का सुपरमैन, क्या कहना।
The next award is dedicated to a man who has saved innumerable mothers and children.
The God Bharai Award goes to Dr. Rajiv Gera.
If he's not here, can we have somebody from his team, please?
Dr. Gunjan, please.
This shot is very necessary for the person who played the Sharabi father the last time. We have a little skit for the next award.
Please guess who it is. It's not very difficult.
So here we have one lady very fashionably walking, talking, talking, and somebody's just about to bump into her. Somebody's just running, bumping, and oh!
So मेरा 2.5 लाख का जैकेट, उसमें मेरा iPhone 7 Plus भी है.
The next award is for the resident Suhas, the price tag award. Ma'am, please come with your iPhone 7 Plus because we need to take a selfie. Shilpi, Okay, so Shilpi ma'am's got a mom to be crowned because she left a pillow on our floor which she called the pregnancy pillow.
You bet. And I told them that whoever sits there will get pregnant.
So we have the IPE Suhas for Miss Shilpi Jain.
The next. The Chui Mui award goes to Mr. Gurmeet Singh, but as he's not here, we'll get his favorite golden boy Madhavan to come and accept the award. The next award is for the person जो अपनी लचकीली कमर की वजह से हमारे साथ फ्लैश मॉब में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर पाए. Mr. Amrinder Singh with the permanent कमर का problem.
Mr. Lachkili Kamar, can we have you on stage, please? अगर फिर तो आप हमारे साथ डांस कर सकते थे, ये तो गलत बात है फिर.
Sir, Volini for all your Lachkili cover issues.
मैंने बहुत पी रखी है, लेकिन सच तो ये है, कल जो पी थी कल जो पी थी जो प्रीति आज ये तो उसका नशा है. कसम तुम्हारी कसम आज पी ही नहीं. जो प्रीति आज ये तो उसका नशा है. तुम्हारी कसम आज पी ही नहीं.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
सुनाई देता है, पर मेरी एक खासियत है
कि मैं मारता कम हूँ और घसीटता ज्यादा हूँ।
The Bodyguard Award goes to Mr. Joginder.
मुझ पर एक एहसान करना कि मुझ पर कोई एहसान न करना।
The final award goes to the most innocent of them all.
The नन्हे मुन्ने प्यारे बच्चे.
All of us.
Yeah, to the
This award is for us. We call it the Besharam Award, and we would like
Ashwajit sir
to please come and
Say
award
a few
us.
words.
कोई खड़ा है खैर ना जाने ना, अब तो क्या बुरा क्या भला है फर्क पहचाने ना, पकड़ के खड़ा है कम वक्त छोड़ ना जाने ना, बदतमीज दिल मारे ना बदतमीज दिल मारे ना, ये जो हाल है सवाल है कमाल है जाने ना बदतमीज दिल
Yeah, we are awarding a shot to ourselves.
Is it the first one you're awarding yourselves?
Yes.
Okay, fair enough. No, I think it's been great. Thank you so much. And I think this is something that's now become a really sort of looked forward to kind of an event. And I think everybody's enjoyed themselves. But I think next year we need to only give awards to some of the people who've not been covered this year. I think that's what we need to start doing so that more people get covered year on year. Thank you so much, and it's been great. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you all for your patience. We hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
We now invite Manorama to take on the next segment of the.
बहुत अच्छे हैं हम लोग, बहुत अच्छे से काम कर रहे हैं और बहुत अच्छे से हम लोग रह रहे हैं।
चार छोटे बच्चे who have prepared some skits and some songs. So सबसे पहले I'll invite Suhani, who's going to give a performance, Kathak performance. Oh, they have not come. महक है, महक गुप्ता होगी, महक गुप्ता है। अनुष्का पांडा, आरुषि बंसल।
Hello, Meg Gupta. I think some of the kids were here. Meg is there. Meg, can you please come? I think Master Gupta is also there. I think Master Gupta was also interested, if I am not mistaken. Can both of them come?
Namaste. अपने बटूता पहन के जूता निकले पड़े तूफान में, थोड़ी सी हवा नाक में, थोड़ी सी हवा कान में, कभी कभी नाक को कभी कभी कान को रगड़ते अपने बटूता, इतने में ही उनका जूता पहुंच गया उड़ के जापान में, और वो रह गए मोजी की दुकान में। धन्यवाद। Friends, I'm Anushka and I'm going to sing a song for all of you. When I was just a little girl, I asked my mother, what will I be? Will I be pretty? Will I be rich? Here's what my mother says. Que sera, whatever will be, will be. future is not ours to see. Que sera, sera. When I grew up and fell in love, I asked my sweetheart what lies ahead. Will there be rainbows day after day? Here's what my sweetheart says. Que sera, sera. Whatever will be, will be. The future is not ours to see. Que sera, sera. Now I have children of my own. They ask their mother, what will I be? Will I be handsome? Will I be rich? I said them tenderly. Que sera, sera. Whatever will be, will be. The future is not ours to see. Que sera, sera. What will be, will be. Que sera, sera. Thank you. Now let's not be worried about the future and enjoy this lovely moment. Thank you and have a nice day.
Anushka, you look very bright and you'll join IB.
Thank you. You really deserve a huge big hug. Thank you so much, Anushka. So beautiful you are. Please go sit. Thank you. You really deserve something. I can't leave you like that. Yeah, she deserves a goggles. Goggles are there. Yeah. I will get it for you. And one more for you. Come. You deserve this. Which color you like? Which color? This one? Okay. You like?
Have poets in our team. I would request Kushal Kishore Kumar, जो एक हिंदी में पोइट्री रिसाइट करेंगे.
A huge round of applause for Kaushal. Only his team. Please join hands. Please join your hands together for Kaushal.
Okay, so my first poetry performance in IPE, so-called. So I will start with some good notes like, and ठीक ना लगे तो माफ कर दीजिएगा. I'm not a professional poet by the way. आ मेरे साथ ललकार, हम फिर से अपने ख्वाबों का घर बनाते हैं. जो बिखरा है उसे समेटते हैं, ढूंढ कर फिर खुशी को लाते हैं. आओ नदी के जैसे एक में मिल जाते हैं. शीशे की तरह चुभती है जो बातें, चलो उसे भूल जाते हैं. याद करो पुराने वो दिन, आओ फिर से वो आशियाना बनाते हैं. आ मेरे साथ मिलकर हम फिर से अपने ख्वाबों का घर बनाते हैं.
Beautiful, fantastic.
So मुझे याद नहीं करना अब तुम भी भूल जाओ वो बचपन के दिन जब हम कितना हंसते थे. मुझे बात नहीं करना अब तुम भी दूर जाओ वो दिन जब हम एक दूसरे के दिलों में बसते थे. मुझे नहीं गुजरना वहाँ से जहाँ हम साथ थे. हर वो चीज़ जो हमारे दिलों को जस्ती थी, उसे मत जगाओ जो दर्द सो रहा है. हम अपनी वजह से किसी को भूलना चाहते हैं, यह जानना नहीं चाहते उसकी खता क्या है. हम अपनी हस्ती को खुद ही मिटाना चाहते हैं, यह समझते ही नहीं यही जीने की सही कला है. हम अपने यादों की पोटली को फेंकना चाहते हैं, जबकि हमें खुद नहीं पता ये बला क्या है. मत कुरेदो इसे, अभी दर्द सो रहा है. सुनता हूँ मेहनत हमें सब कुछ दिलाती है, पर क्या कहें हम तो साथ में खुशकिस्मत भी थे. हम पहले भी सकारात्मक थे, आज भी हैं, पर पुरानी बातें याद करना क्या हम ऐसे भी थे. ये कल की बातें हैं जो तुम्हारी यादें लाती है, कि तुम्हें याद करके हंसना क्या हम वैसे भी थे. मत बताओ इसे, अभी दर्द सो रहा है. एक ऐसा वादा जो हमें याद दिलाती है कि सारी दुनिया का अपना बनकर दिखाऊंगा। एक ऐसा इरादा जो हमें आंसू लाती है कि सबका साथी सबका मीत बनकर बताऊंगा। वो हंसी का विश्वास था, ये आंसू का भरोसा है कि अपने काम में रमकर पुरानी बातें भूल जाऊंगा। मत लाओ इसे जो दर्द सो रहा है। जान चुका हूँ ऐसी बातें भूलना आसान नहीं है, इसलिए अपना लक्ष्य पाने के लिए इसे अनुभव बनाऊंगा। जान चुका हूँ कि दर्द का सोना आसान नहीं है, बस इसी दर्द के सहारे जीवन में ऊपर जाऊंगा। दर्द दर्द है और दर्द रहेगी, पर मेरे लिए नहीं, यह सोचकर अपना सारा वक्त मेहनत में लगाऊंगा। जब इस मेहनत के बाद खुशी की लहर उमड़ेगी, तब दर्द चाहे जितना भी बड़ा हो, मैं उसे ढक पाऊंगा। अब मेरे लिए कहने की बातें हैं, दर्द सो रहा है, जग जाए तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है।
Great, fantastic from the health department. Who's going to dance on सोनी के नखरे? I think आपने already practice कर ली थी पहले एक बार.
Shaya
dancing, I also felt like dancing with you. Okay, we have another small dance performance by Zoya. She's my daughter, and for me it's very encouraging because she's never done any public performance. But this time when I asked her, she said yes. So I think that's just a great thing for me.
मुंडा थोड़ा ऑफ बीट है पर कुड़िया दे नाल बहुत स्वीट है मुंडा थोड़ा ऑफ बीट है पर कुड़िया दे नाल बहुत स्वीट है ढोंगी सा ये बड़ा ढीठ है वायरल हो गया ये ट्वीट पर फूल फूल करने में कूल तू बड़ी तेज कटारी है शक्ल तेरी की लगन तेरी की हमने कर दी तैयारी है नच देने सारे
आपके लंबे लंबे इतने लंबे बाल हैं और आपकी एनर्जी भी बहुत ही ज्यादा है। हाँ, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? ये कहाँ से आप लाते हो इतनी सारी एनर्जी? क्या खाते हो आप? सुबह सुबह क्या ब्रेकफास्ट में खाया? ओह, कॉर्नफ्लेक्स। ओके ओके, नाउ यू डिजर्व दिस। इज इट फाइन? कलर अच्छा है? थैंक यू। इस पे डांस करना चाहती है, ब्रेकअप डांस है। शी इज डॉटर ऑफ अरविंद जी, यूएसए टीम में है, हमारी बैकबोन है मॉनिटरिंग के। सृष्टि कर लीजिए।
हमको बिन बताए तूने ये कब कर लिया, अरे हमको बिन बताए तूने ये कब कर लिया, तेरे सैया जी से काहे तूने ब्रेकअप कर लिया, तेरे सैया जी से काहे तूने ब्रेकअप कर लिया, सुबह सवेरे उठ के मैंने सब कर लिया, तेरे सैया जी से काहे तूने ब्रेकअप कर लिया।
लोग बेबी मुझे लगता है जो भी तूने किया है वो वेरी वेरी राइट है। भूतकाल को भूल जा, अब तू आने वाला फ्यूचर वेरी वेरी ब्राइट है। रहूं ना बेबी साथ तेरे, पार्टी शादी होनी पूरी नाइट है। माइंड न कर मैं तो थोड़ा ज्यादा बोल दूं क्योंकि बंदा वेरी वेरी टाइट है। उसे फोन मिला और गाली दे, फोटो जला के कर दे राख सामने तेरी बाकियां।
गलती हुआ तो सैया स्टूपिड तेरा, जीवित हुआ है फिर से क्यों बिग तेरा, आसी रिलेशनशिप का लेवल हटा, दुनिया को तू है अवेलेबल करता, मेरे सोए अरमानों को वे तब कर दिया, अरे मेरे सोए अरमानों को वे तब कर दिया, तो तेरे सैया जी से तूने ब्रेकअप कर लिया, तेरे सैया जी से काहे तूने ब्रेकअप कर लिया, तेरे सैया जी से काहे तूने ब्रेकअप कर लिया।
That sound that did make you feel
आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर जबान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई, आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर जबान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई। आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर जबान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई।
Typing.
Please come. Oh, she's a newlywed. Please, newlywed.
This is for her, please. Hand it over.
The lady.
Take nail polish.
जिंदगी भर यूं ही मुझसे प्यार करना मेरे दोस्त, जिंदगी भर यूं ही मुझसे प्यार करना मैं तुझे दगा न दूंगा मेरा एतबार करना मेरे दोस्त, जिंदगी भर यूं ही मुझसे प्यार करना मैं ये खूब जानता हूँ फितरत तेरी यही है मैं ये खूब जानता हूँ फितरत तेरी यही है कभी इससे प्यार करना कभी मुझसे प्यार करना मेरे दोस्त, जिंदगी भर यूं ही मुझसे प्यार करना. Thank you.
I'll request Jogender ji, who's a part of the administration team. He's completed 11 years. I'll request Jogender ji to please come.
Okay, Jogender technically has been there for 11 years in the group. He's actually spent most of his time in Advest earlier, and as only recently when we were talking about restructuring some of the people there, then I think about 3.5 years ago, 3.5 years ago we spoke, and he wanted to sort of take on new responsibility and new role, and so he's joined us and heading the administration. So he's a very important part of IP, and a lot of what you see today is courtesy all his hard work. And he's a true Gujjar, because you go to any hospital, go to any school, go to any police station, and he'll find some reference. And he's right now heavily campaigning for Big Boss as well, because he got a Gujjar there as well. Okay, Anil technically I'm told he's completed 11 years. That's why I was asking why he didn't get it last year. So he should have, but he says koi deadline, yeah, he meant cut off, but I suppose he used the word deadline ka issue tha, so given the number of bids he puts in. So Anil again joined us. He used to work for an NGO years ago who was a partner with us in some projects, and we felt he had a lot of potential. So he just joined us at an entry level in the urban department. And over the years, through his sheer hard work, commitment, loyalty, passion for IP, he's risen to now head the urban and infrastructure space at IP. He's somebody you can always sort of count on for any kind of work at any hour, and he travels a lot, and he's urban, as you know, is one of our largest portfolios today, and Anil's played a very, very important part in building the urban space. So congratulations, Anil.
Yeah, actually I'll be completing 12 years in this March, and when I joined IP, I did not think that I'll be completing 12 years, but now I can say that this is the beginning. And as you have, I think all have seen, and sir is, I think can really see this, that my graph and IP's graph is really proportional. Way I like sir is saying that I started my journey as an entry level and a single person. And when I was working on a particular project, and then I came back, and now I recently completed a meeting of my all members, and we have more than 100 people in urban infra, and another 150 consultants. And I have a very, very good team, and hard-working, sincere team, and we're really building up really well. And if you want to grow, if you want to learn, if you want to really succeed in IP, take my example. This is a true example that even if you start as an entry level, as sir is saying, you have no limits. And my WhatsApp status is also saying no limits. Actually, you can really grow, and there is no limit in IP if you want to grow, if you want to work sincerely. Don't think that this is my career path. if you have the potential, if you have the real will to do something in IP, this is where you are, and this is where you need to be. And I want to call my wife Renu here. She has been my really, you have to come. It's not only because of me. You have been always very supportive of me. And in fact, if you ask her, no, she can tell you all members of my team and all the projects which I am doing. So this is the way she is supporting me, and she will have to come here today.
And I think you met Renu also through IP, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, you worked together right in the early days. I remember that when Renu was working on an assignment with IP, and that's where. So Anil was not that time not totally focused on work, which he now is. So मैं Renu को And call your daughter and son as well. I mean, she put up a good performance. So the dance performance you saw was Anil's daughter. Where is she? And daughter and son, are they around? Arushi. Jaldi.
Arushi.
There she is. I can see her. So that's the young lady who just saw a dance performance of. So please give them a good hand.
Come on, let's get down, get to it. It's party, have a little fun, there's really nothing to it. So party, to cut, get a move on board and you'll see. It's party, on your mark, be steady, are you ready to play with me?
Okay, Amrinder again has a very interesting story because he's probably the only person in IP who was interviewed in a car. Who was kind of interviewed in a car. He'd come to meet me and I remember and there was some meeting that I had and then I said let's get into the car and I remember we spoke on the way in the car. So, कौन सी story? Joining की story.
जॉइनिंग स्टोरी ये है कि जब मैं आया यहाँ मुझे भेजा गया इंटरव्यू के लिए तो मैं जब आया यहाँ पर तो पहले तो C2 में लाइब्रेरी हुआ करता था तो लाइब्रेरी में मेरे को बैठा दिया गया तो वहाँ पर मैं करीब 1 घंटे सवा घंटे इंतज़ार करने के बाद फिर मैंने पूछा कि भाई इंटरव्यू कौन लेंगे तो अमित सरदाना जी लेंगे तो अमित सरदाना जी को ढूंढा कहाँ है पता वो अपनी गाड़ी ठीक करवा रहे हैं मैं कहा मैं तो यहीं बैठा रह गया तो फिर मेरे को जिन्होंने भेजा था उनको बोला कि अरे वो तो गाड़ी ठीक करवा रहे हैं तो अच्छा कोई बात नहीं है फिर करेंगे ठीक है नेक्स्ट टाइम आया हाँ उसी बीच में अश्विनी सर के बारे में पूछा तो कहाँ हैं वो तो कलकत्ता चले गए तो मैं कहा मेरा इंटरव्यू तो कोई बात नहीं ऐसा करो फिर वापस आ जाओ फिर कर भी करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट टाइम आया तो सर से मिला तो उन्होंने बोला कि ऐसा है कि मेरे को मीटिंग के लिए जाना है तो ऐसा करते हैं या तो ऐसा करो कि मैं आप वेट कर लो वापस आके कर लेंगे या फिर ऐसा करो गाड़ी में बैठ जाओ मैंने कहा कि वेट नहीं करूँगा एक बार वेट करके तो वापस चले गए तो मैंने कहा ठीक है गाड़ी में बैठ जाते गाड़ी में बैठा गाड़ी में बैठ के इंटरव्यू हुआ ठीक है कभी होता है ऐसा तो अमित सरदाना ने किया मेरा एयरपोर्ट पे किया तो गाड़ी में बैठ के इंटरव्यू हुआ तो गाड़ी में हम लोग चले बातचीत हो गई सब कुछ हुआ सर को कहीं जाना था तो वहाँ पर फिर एक बीच में कहीं किसी को लेना भी था तो फिर मैंने कहा कि ऐसा करता हूँ कि मैं जब बीच में गेस्ट चूँकि उनके हैं मैं पीछे बैठा हुआ था तो मैंने कहा कि मैं ऐसा करता हूँ आगे बैठ जाता हूँ तो इन्होंने बोला कि नहीं आप आगे नहीं आप पीछे ही बैठे रहो सर खुद जाके आगे बैठे ठीक है दैट वाज वेरी हार्टनिंग इन्होंने मेरे को आगे नहीं बैठा के खुद आगे बैठ गए और मेरे को पीछे ही बैठाए रखा और उसके बाद
जब ये खुद कहीं चले गए, फिर उसके बाद मेरे को फिर मुझे लगा कहीं छोड़ देंगे मेरे को वहीं पर, मैं वहाँ से पैदल आऊँगा, लेकिन ऐसा हुआ नहीं। इन्होंने ड्राइवर को बोला कि ठीक है इनको वहीं पर छोड़ा हो। तो वो एक हाँ, तो वही एक क्या बोलते हैं इंसिडेंस, और हिंदी में बोलते हैं वाकया, वही है कि हम आईपी के ही होके रह गए। हाँ देखिए,
Came the moment he said हम आईपी के होके रह गए।
तो मेरी वाइफ भी बोलती है कि तुम्हें क्या आईपी में क्या लगा रखा है, सब कोई दूसरे जगह ट्राई करते, तुम क्यों नहीं ट्राई करते? अरे ये तो नहीं, ये तो कल जो पी थी अजी, ये तो उसका नशा है। हाँ? आज पी ही नहीं, आज तो पानी पी। तो ये है अपनी स्टोरी आईपी में आने की। और
So, Amir, I think the moral of the story is you have to do more interviews in airports and cars and not in those closed rooms that you that we just saw about.
Take this opportunity since we have the IPE family and the extended family here. Sorry.
कहते हैं कि देयर डिफरेंस बिटवीन जॉब एंड करियर। तो जब मैं आईपी आ रहा था मेरे को एक जॉब मिल रहा था, लेकिन मैंने करियर को चुना। तो दिस वाज द स्टोरी।
Okay, with that little advice, yes. So we continue. So on this occasion, we request Sir Ashwajit Sir to also release a special yearbook that the corporate communication team has prepared. So we are very honored. So this is a sample. I mean, of course, we will request Sir, while the copies are in print and they will be available to everyone in the next 3 to 4 days. So we'll be happy to have everyone come over and collect them. Yeah. So a big round of applause for the entire, and it is for everyone, please.
I must confess, this book came as a surprise to me because I was not really expecting this book, but I've just glanced through it, frankly, once before. I don't know if they've probably changed it or added on to it, but I think it's a very, very interesting and pleasant book about the IP and the people and the department. So I'm sure each one of you will enjoy it. I understand it's under print and you'll probably get it by the end of this week or early next week. Thank you so much, and thank you Tanya, Kriti, Shilpi, Tanya, and Ashna, of course. Ashna, why are you standing there? And Ashna and the rest of the corporate communication team for having put in, Sapna, Madhavan, for all of you for working very, very hard and getting this book together. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Madhavan. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Manish. Manish, please come. Kushal.
जाओ ना
Come. So all the dancers, the bright and the beautiful dancers, please come. Akanksha, Radhika, Sabira, come. Everybody who's up
Peter.
Thank you.
A big round of applause, everyone.
The corporate communications.
Whoever was here, I think we do.
Third prize.
Now this is the, is it the third, fourth? This is the
Third.
Okay, the third prize goes to someone whose name starts with S. I told you I felt your name. And ends with Y. Sanjay Kashyap. The third prize goes to Sanjay Kashyap.
ग्रुप बनवा मैडम को सामने दिखलाओ यार
Shake the box nicely. Okay, now the second prize goes to someone whose name begins with N.
नरेंद्र
Any guesses?
नीलम निपुण
Can I see the person? Let me look around. I can actually. Narinder.
Many of you know that Padma, Shailesh and Raghavesh are from DFID. But our first hire from DFID is not them. Our first hire from DFID is Narendra.
What should I say? surname starts with S.
Surname S.
Okay, how many of you whose surname start with S? Raise your hands.
I've recently changed my surname.
So you just go to 5, 7 people. Actually, maybe you were not
You have to come. HR must be here.
Vikram.
Okay, so she was right when she said that. Well, guys, you know what I'm going to do is. So this is Vikramjeet Singh is mine. But I have a special request. I want the draw to be done again, and I'm putting the prize back to the kitty. So we will do another prize. Okay, so I have, picked out the winner. Mohammad Hamza Khan. But the rules are, if the person is not here, it goes for another draw. No, but then...
50, 49, 48,
47, 46, 45, 44. Yeah, 20, 19, 18, 17,
16, 15, 14,
12. Going
for another draw.
Bad luck. This is not bad luck.
सर आपका क्या क्या?
All right. So let me go with the riddle thing. The first name starts with S.
No, it should be D.
And the last name starts with P.
Sandeep.
Surinder Pal. Sudarshan Panda.
Sandeep.
What do we have with the first name?
Sudarshan Panda.
Is he gone? Sudarshan.
He's here.
And जो भी है, his child also participated or won a prize. How many people do we have eligible for that? Both of them or three of them?
Can they all come here?
SP.
All the SPs
How many
can
SPs
come.
do we have?
Only one man.
So Sudarshan Panda, Sudarshan Pal, Surinder Pal. Who else is there?
Any other? There is another
And his daughter won a
SP.
prize.
Siddharth Patnaik.
All right. So both of them are wearing something on their head.
What did they come here
But
to lift up their hands? Come on.
Okay, so like a dangal, we lift up the hand. The days of dangal, we lift up the hand of the winner.
one of them goes back with the first prize, and what I can say is that the winner is wearing something on his head. Incidentally, all three of us are. but I'm no longer the winner.
So am I.
But the winner is the person who's wearing an IP branded headgear.